Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khammagani to all of you guys. Welcome to today's session, and more like a conversation topic, we'll be chit chatting with each other. And today we are discussing how to develop the habit of studying every day. So, guys, I'm Gopal Paliwal, your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. And let's understand the today's topic, how to develop the habit. Now, this is the first query in every student's mind, that you want to study, but how to develop this habit, right? What to do so that this studying every day comes in as your habit, so that like everybody knows, like just don't study just before the exam. Throughout the year, keep on revising, keep on studying, so that you don't face the stress during the time of examination. But 99% of the students, or 99.9% of the students, cannot follow that. Like they'll be like, yeah, how to, they cannot develop this habit of studying every day. Most of them will be studying just before the examination. Some of them start say 2 weeks before, some of just start one day before, right? Now those students who are studying every day, definitely they'll be your toppers, right? Because they are putting a lot of efforts. Okay, so how you can be a topper, and for that you need to start studying every day, develop this habit of studying. So for this, guys, let's look at all these in the 5 steps, some small 5 steps. The first is small consistent efforts. The important thing over here is small. Whenever you are working, or whenever you say go for you want to go towards your goal. Right now our goal is studying every day, so you want to feel motivated throughout your journey, right? You don't want to get demotivated. So always start small and gradually increase that, because when at the starting of the habit, whenever you want to start with any habit, more chances are there that within 2 3 days, if you like overload yourself with that, you'll be leaving that. For example, I'll talk about a normal thing, gym. Many people, they'll be putting this resolution, new year resolution, I'll go for gym every day, but hardly 2 3 days and done. They don't go that, leave, whole subscription goes for nothing. But then there are some people who will be going to gym every day, small efforts, day by day. They have this thing in your mind, they need to take care of their health, their vision is clear. So that's what you need to understand this as well, understand this in the same way. If you overload yourself in the first 3 days with the studies, 6 hours you're studying daily, after fourth day you'll be like, "Arey yaar, I'm studying for 3 days, I need rest, I can take a rest, I deserve a rest." ठीक है, that one day rest will convert into 1 month rest. That's going to happen. All right, so guys, always remember, start with small and gradually increase the time period. Start with 1 hour, half an hour, whatever it is. Start with 1 hour. Tell yourself, "Arey it's only 1 hour. 1 hour at least I can do." And gradually, 1 week you go for 1 hour, next week 1.5 hour you increase it, 2 hours, and then you'll be in a pace. All right, first is start small. Next, make each day productive. See, whenever you are trying to develop a habit, you definitely know that that habit you are you want to do that thing every day, because that is going to make your day productive. So you know the reason. Suppose if you want to study every day, you know it will make you say understand the things clearly. It will obviously improve your marks, your understanding will increase, so your day will be more productive rather than just playing games online. When you study every day, if you devote some time towards your studies as well, definitely it is going to make your day productive. So think about it. Think about it, why you are doing it, and then plan your day every day. I'm not saying sticking to a calendar or sticking to a timetable like a robot. Wake at 8 o'clock, 8 to 8:30, get fresh, 8:30 to 9, take breakfast, 9 o'clock go there, this 5 o'clock you have to sit, 5 to 6:30 do the homework. Yeah, sometimes homework is more. Homework may take more time. Sometimes you wake up late, sometimes you want to play. Different things goes on the mood, right? So I'm not saying make a timetable. I'm saying telling you a very like easy thing. Fix the time. For example, fix a time key every day. I'll be studying for 1 hour for the starters. For those who are already in a good range, 2 hours, 3 hours, you can go for it. So every day 2 hours I'll study. All right. Now that 2 hours you can take it anytime. Before the day ends, you have to study for 2 hours, no matter what happens. sacrifice on your sleep, sacrifice on your say games, anything, sacrifice going out, but finish your work. Give priority to the work which is going to make your day productive. So plan it well. All right, monitor and change or adjust. Okay, what does it mean? For example, say you're not able to stick to your habit. So at that point, you need to understand, guys, that why is that happening? What is happening which is, say, telling you from not stopping you from not studying every day? Maybe that your friend circle, they are like, array, array, come, let's play. None of your friends are studying every day, and they'll pursue you. Array, come, come, we'll play. Why are you studying? They are making fun of you, and that makes you feel like, why am I studying right now? So that's not a good company right now. Maybe for some of you, it might be like you are overburdened with the homeworks. You're not doing your homeworks are pending, or some other work, anything. You like to play, say you like music a lot. Everybody likes music, but you are devoting too much time in your listening to songs, which is not productive. Listening to songs is not productive. If you're learning music, if you're playing any instrument, I understand it is productive, but listening to it is not productive. It's just for your to soothe your brain, right? You are focusing too much in online games, so those are not productive things. So prioritize. See where when you want to study every day, why, if you're not able to do it, why it is happening, what is stopping you from doing that, and work on that area. Always remember, it's not like no one fails, everybody fails, but you need to understand why it is not happening. One week you are able to study clearly, after 2 or 3 days you are not able to study. That means some problem is there. Identify the problem and get rid of it. All right, that's the plan. Always look for the solution rather than just thinking about the problem. Next is sticking to your plan. Understand, guys, whatever plan you have made, you have to stick to it. You understand why you have done this, why you want study to be a routine, everyday routine. So for that, you need to understand that no matter what happens, I have to do it, and I'll do it. And just that's why I've told you, start with small efforts. If you're able to accomplish the small efforts, you'll be feeling more confident, and gradually this will become a part of your say daily routine. Okay, and then don't be overexcited. That's also is very important. It should not be like, remember what I have told, 3 days you are studying for 6 hours, and after that, I deserve everything, I can do anything I want, and then you leave the studies. That's not a good thing. All right, you want it to be in your daily routine. Think how much time every day you can give towards it. Follow it religiously. All right, and try to understand the goal, final goal, and don't stop till you reach there. Don't stop till you reach to your final goals. So guys, to summarize, start with small, every day, plan your day, make it productive. If anything is bothering you, if anything is say stopping you from acquiring a goal, understand what it is and change it. Get rid of that problem. Stick to your plan. Why you want to study, stick to it. Develop a habit, and don't be too excited. All right. Okay. So guys, it's remember, guys. Studying every day is a difficult habit to develop, but people can do it. Now, I'll tell you why it is more difficult. The major reason it is more difficult is that from the starting, if you'll see right now, you like playing games, online gaming, chit chatting, WhatsApp, Instagram, social media. Everybody likes that, and all of you know that is just wastage of time. So you have developed a habit of wasting time. If you see carefully, if you're, say, focusing too much time in social media, online games, and so you have developed a habit of wasting time. So obviously, if you have developed a habit of wasting time, and that too you're following this religiously, develop making the day productive will be a difficult hobby for you. But if you'll stick to your plan, follow these steps, definitely you'll stop wasting your time and make your day productive. Okay, guys. Also, for all those students who are planning to be a doctor or engineer in their say their final goal, want to crack IIT, want to crack NEET exam, we have IIT JEE and NEET preparation foundation course for all of you, in which, guys, will be definitely teaching you the foundation topics along with all the topics which are there in your syllabus. So foundation topics will be taught in detail, regular practice, all these features which you are already getting. Concepts will be taught in detail. And guys, remember, your chances of qualifying these exams increase when you start early, right? Also, along with the basic subject maths, which is chemistry, biology, and necessity for grade 10th, mental ability also we are going to teach you, so that your NTSC preparation also will be happening. So NTSC preparation is obviously free in this course as well. A very good course, guys. And again, you'll be getting the results. You can see amazing results students have got, right? Vedantu always has been best in the results. Okay, okay. And guys, don't forget to apply the coupon code GP Pro, because you know this code will give you 10% off. And it's not like this is the only, this is the price to cover your syllabus only once. We'll be doing the revision as well as you can study a topic as many times as you want with the help of unlimited micro courses. All right, bacho. So this is all from my side in today's class. Please don't forget GP Pro to get 10% off. The link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to that as well. And also, guys, if you enjoyed what I have told you today, if you are going to develop the habit, please don't forget to like this video, comment in the video, and tell me how is it going. Or if you face any distraction, try to overcome that as well. Alright, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.